move forward. Move forward. Backward never. Yo, yo, yo. No God for that is it. Move forward. Backward never. Yo, yo, yo. Forward never. Backward never. Obaseki na the man. We know. Forward never. Backward never. Shaibu self na the man. We know. Everyone must move forward. Move forward. Backward never. Yo, yo, yo. No God for that reason. Move forward. Backward never. Yo, yo, yo. Forward never. Backward never. Obaseki na the man. We know. Forward never. Backward never. Shaibu self na the man. We know. Everyone must move forward. Move forward. Backward never. Yo, yo, yo. No God for that reason. Move forward. Backward never. Yo, yo, yo. Hey, they call me franchise. Peter Production. Edo must move forward. Move forward. Backward never. Yo, yo, yo. No God for that reason. Move forward. Backward never. Yo, yo, yo. Forward never. Backward never. Obaseki na the man. We know. Forward never. Backward never. Shaibu self na the man. We know. Edo must move forward. Move forward. Backward never. Yo, yo, yo. No God for that reason. Move forward. Backward never. Yo, yo, yo.
Yes, my ever conscious Edo people, Nigerians all over the world, good morning from Benin. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yes, I am back, Abatobaze. I'm back to tell Edo people the truth and to also educate some of our misguided and misinformed brothers in the opposition, EPM. I enjoy calling them EPM because the real APC, the real opposition in Edo State, they are not misbehaving on the internet. The real opposition, the real APC members in Edo State, you don't see them go online to lie. You don't see them go online to instigate people. You don't see them go online to instigate violence, mayhem. You don't see them go online to incite the public against at least the government and against individuals. So the people that are doing that are EPM people, EPM. Edo political miscreants, EPM. So anyway, you see people talking anyhow, they are not members of APC. They are members of EPM. But Edo people, for the past 3 days, we are beginning to see to feel normalcy in Edo. Normalcy is returning to Edo. A lot still needs to be done. A lot still needs to be done to ensure safety of lives and property, to ensure that people are not harassed on the street of Benin. If you notice, the EPM social media urchins for the past 3 days now, they've been quiet. Some are not posting. The ones that are posting, they are still trying to see how they can revive violence, how they can come up with another protest to prevent people from going about their lawful duties. Thank Thank God we have those all over the world who can think for themselves. We have those all over the world that love the government of Obaseki. We have those all over the world that want the state to move forward. We have those at home and in diaspora that believe in the unity and peace of our great state, that have come together to say, hey, stop. We need to return normalcy. We need to restore sanity to our state. They are not happy because part of their strategy to scuttle the second term inauguration of Governor Obaseki was to sustain the NSAS protest, to sustain hoodlums activities in Edo. And part of their strategy to say, let us sustain this protest. That's why the genuine protesters, immediately they noticed that hoodlums, political hoodlums, have hijacked the protest. They quickly pulled out. They quickly pulled out and distanced themselves from activities that was happening around Ring Road, Upper Sakmoba, and some other areas. They released the EPM leaders, they released their tigers and lions to foment trouble, to inflict pains on the ordinary man on the street. So for the past 3 days, they've been very, very quiet. They don't know what to do. They are frustrated. They are frustrated. They wanted the hoodlums breaking of homes, destroying vehicles. They wanted anarchy. So that come November 12th, the state will be in turmoil. That the state will not be safe for inauguration. That investors will not be able to travel to Edo. Even visitors, party leaders across the country, their plan was to shut down the airport, and if possible, even look for a way to stop the chief judge. But thank God we will be Edo. We want to make our state move forward. Get to quickly fall out. We want peace, and now they are sad. They are planning another thing. Oh, I will not expose them till next week. They are seriously planning, because we have our people in some of their WhatsApp groups. They are planning, but it never clear, because the way people now don't know, say this protest in Edo was not normal. Because the real protesters, they were in main gates. We are at main gates. Before hoodlums hijacked the protest, main gates remained peaceful, well organized. Main gate was like Lekki Toll Gate, well organized. But when people like Maleke, Kola Dokpayi, and the rest joined the culture, they were deployed to join and foment trouble. I'm sure you guys saw a video. You know, there are some comments to drop here. I just kick you out quickly, you know, so that you go create proxy to the watch me. I know you people enjoy. Please, if you are just joining us, share this broadcast, please. Please, if you want the peace of Edo, if you want Edo to be peaceful, you want normalcy to return fully, you want police encouraged to go back to their duty post, to go back to their stations. Please, we want you to share this broadcast. Please share this broadcast. Thank you very much. You talk anyhow here, I kick you out, then you go create proxy to watch me. Everybody enjoys my broadcast, even the EPM leaders. One thing they cannot take from me is that when I'm with you, I am with you. You know, when you are close to people in authority, and the government is doing well, the best way to correct some anomalies is to approach them. When you have access to a sitting government, you go to them and say, if I have access to the government, I'll say, Your Excellency, you are doing very well in this area, but this area, I think we need to work on this area. People expect a lot from you in this area. I won't go to social media to say, Your Excellency, I have access to him. You play who they grow up. Every evening, everybody they go to tell my dad say, daddy, we need a math textbook, we need English textbook, we need social studies. Everybody will surround that. He will say, okay, you, where your book, you get this one. Then we go now, it's okay. Let's buy your own tomorrow. Tell your auntie and I will buy the mass next tomorrow. But let me pay for English first, English textbook first. And so you go take sort everybody. You, which one you need? Some say they need a mathematical set. Some will say they need stockings. Some will say they need sandals. Every evening. If you have that kind of access, you don't need to go stop for junction. Baba, I don't get textbook. I don't get the man. But you not be inside this house. You sleep. Why are you going to expose me for public? That is what I am doing. There are some things when I see we're not too clear. Either some ministries we want to do on the old way. I know when they approach. So if you get access to people in government, that commissioners, SSG, deputy governor, people in authority, try to exhaust all channels before you go public. And if you are online, you see that these EPM urchins, they are not happy that people are now moving freely, going back to their respective businesses, buying and selling is going on, peace has returned to Edo. They are not happy. If you are an appointee of this government, you can't be neutral. If you are a friend of this government, you can't run back to the fence. Some of you have run back to your fence to take a fence position. You say, I know what made they say I did this side. I know what made they say you have taken a fence position. When they know you for one thing. If the government is failing, if the second term no work, now me go tell now. Am I swearing? Enemies of the state want create problem. Me swearing no hold for Edo. Our ancestors, the gods of this land, will frustrate them and will stop them from the trouble, from the crisis they are trying to create in this state. Let me also address this boy in Ikpobai, Manuel Agbogun. Let's say many of them where they like Ikpobai Aziz get one today. But among everybody who did that place, that you was pass. You know you're good at all. You are a political mercenary. During the election, you people would play the music of politicians. During the election, you people would be running up and down. You people would turn mercenaries, turn messengers to politicians. You color, and I don't measure the culture and the rest. I don't measure the rest. Una go there, do yes sir. Follow politicians. Once una fail, una come run back, say una be activist. Genuine activists, real activists, they are not partisan. And there are very few in Edo State. And I'm glad to announce to you that Omobude Ago is one of the genuine activists we have in this state. Omobude Ago is one of the genuine activists we have. Osaze Edigin is one of the genuine activists we have. You will never see them aligned with present government. You will never see them aligned with opposition. They speak truth to power. I shared one of the write-up from Osaze Edigin this morning. I look up to see civil society is supposed to checkmate the government, security agencies, help the citizens to protect their rights. Human rights activists. You advocate for rights of citizens. During the election, Emmanuel Agbogun turned Tony Kabaka's PA. He was the chief press secretary to Tony Kabaka, to Shomole, to Ezeyamu, to everybody for EPN. He was everywhere, traveling, campaigning with them. Me, I don't can't lie to Nana say I be activist. I not be activist. I am a party man. I am a card-carrying member of People's Democratic Party, PDP. If I tire for politics, I say I don't want to play politics again, I go activism. I will also announce to people, say, I am now a human rights activist. I'm no longer a politician. and I will see the difference. For now, I am a politician. So I know I will not deceive people so they jump up and down. So if you are a friend of Emmanuel Agbogun, Maleke and Chris Osa, election don't finish. Don't blackmail people in government. Don't instigate violence. Don't incite people against them because they are humans like you. So they don't pay their dues. You'll be like I did now. I have been paying my dues for years now. If tomorrow my people find me worthy to say, okay, Abba, come and run for this position, and they support me, you know, just go online, go to spoil my name. You did a video yesterday. You went to a filling station. My friend Andrew Momodu is building along Airport Road. You say this filling station is owned by deputy governor. Now, he that allege has the honest, not so lawyer the talker. You will come and say this place now deputy governor gets him. I believe say as a politician where you be, as a card carrying member of APC where you be or EPM, maybe they don't even give you party card because I know that I say Asemo Jesua, the state chairman of APC, you know issue card to many of them. So you are a cardless politician. When politics is paying, you run to politics. When election finish, you on your collar, you turn yourself to activist. You return to activism. Then the politicians will now be using you to say, talk this one, talk this one, talk this one. If you don't let them, they talk out. You talk to that deputy governor, and they build a filling station. Anytime Andrew Momodu is investing in Edo, you tie him to deputy governor. You always mention the deputy governor's name. Even the corner down Airport Road, close to Winners, when he was building up that filling station, other people when get filling station for Edo, they instigated people to be say, hey, now deputy, they are using you again now. If they call you now, say, were you there when deputy governor bought this land? Were you there when the deputy governor approved money for the construction of this filling station? Now you fair go online. Hey, victimization, brother. You know, see this second term. Not say this second term said going forward. If you mention my name, you try to spoil my name. Say that social media and I know me. You try because social media now has grown very big. It not be like 2, 3, 4 years ago. If you mention my name, I will sue you. I got many people who sue me. The case takes the cost. They follow up. If you try to spoil my name, say either you not even in Nigeria, you are abroad. If you feel say I don't discuss my lawyer yesterday. Say all these people when they are abroad, when they spoil my name. What do? We have discussed. Me, I feel spend 1 million naira to bring you back. I feel spend 5 million naira to bring you back. If I don't get the money, I go borrow. When you can't prove the things when you talk. So please, don't go to blackmail people. Okay, maybe we talk say, let's assume say that deputy governor get that place. Deputy governor has worked all his life. We know how many filling stations Valentine Aspen gets. Are you saying the deputy governor cannot own a filling station in his state? Are you saying it is wrong? Let's assume say that let's pretend say I won't believe you. Are you saying the deputy governor cannot own a filling station? You be DPRO. Now you dey allocate space. Now you dey approve place for filling station. You never go Lekki, but you go see some area where they put filling station. You never go Canada. You never go abroad, but you see some area where they will put just 2 pump filling station. Just 2 pump filling station. You never see them. If you never see them, use your Google. If you don't know how to query Google, let me know. I will send you photographs of filling station for inside building. Filling station inside estate, I will show you. So if you are Emmanuel Agbogun's friend, yesterday you were calling deputy governor Ole. You don't see deputy governor still palliative, but you they call her Ole. Ole means thief. Deputy governor get friends, he get lawyers, he get people who don't help that are lawyers. If they invite you tomorrow night, now you will run go press. oppression. You don't go fit poor person name, make the person quiet, make it dey look you. It is wrong. You fit insult me, I hear say you dey call me names, it's normal. And today, which name una never give me for social media? But don't blackmail people in authority just because maybe somebody that say you. Kola was the first to go to that police station was the first to write, to talk nonsense. The next day he don't go Andrew Momodu house, go kneel down, they beg. Now let people when they abroad, where they follow now. Now let they know now. Me and una we dead street for this belief. We know now. Ask Kola if you not go Andrew Momodu house, go beg. My friend was there, come and say, Kola where I rob yesterday, they here now they beg up and down. You know you say you do rejoinder to say I fair talk, cannot talk again. They arrest him before you go beg. You can't say what you cannot prove. I don't know you say Tawakere sue me. May I mention people, many people will sue me during the campaign, say I talk what I not fit prove. Where you caught? They not sue the Ibiwa. So if they sue you, make you not cry. Make you not cry. You people should what we call constructive criticism, constructive engagement. See, Kola yesterday, he wrote a post saying police, and they say NSAS, they don't say end police. Now, Kola, let me school you. The first day when they started this protest, my boys, they were there. I sent my media team free of charge to cover the activities because I believe in the NSAS protest. I believe in it. But during the campaign, I know how many times they be carrying federal SARS come to carry me for a year. God, that saved me. I know many people don't go so should go try to bail. I know how SARS don't deal with people for the state. I supported the struggle. So when I come notice the people like Maleke, what to make Maleke join the NSAS protest? Why you try to infiltrate them with your own people? It was because of what happened between the both of us at Wesley. So he dey look for a way to come out, to come busy himself. And I know many people, the real protesters when one Maleke mentors make you not politicize the NSAS protest. Even there was a time he even accused Edo State government of sending talks to attack them. He not talk how many cultists they follow and they go that place. When me with a no. So Kola, when they do this thing, after they hijacked the protest, they started destroying vehicles, started beating people, they started raping women, they started doing nonsense, going to people's houses, robbing, broad daylight. They will show you gun for hold up. All the people when they stranded, they were collecting their phones, car to car, because they just pursue police go for streets. When I said, let us stop this thing, it's been hijacked. They said, shut up. So our people will say that they support the government. They join castigate me. About shut up. It's okay. Voila. Maybe they watch. There are some. Please go and create another Prozzy account. Too many Prozzy accounts here. Let me just kick them out. So I like talking to real people, not be ghost people. Real people. I beg. When I go create another account. This one say if how about they lie or they blink your eyes. You don't know me now. Why? Please let me just quickly kick them out. When I go create, so by the time you create 5 Prozzy accounts, it will tire you. You will don't be forced to listen to me. Please, if you are my people here, then don't just drop positive comments. Flood this post with comment. Give me like, give me love. So when they were doing those things, police became scared. The good and the bad police Even the SARS, the ones who really make money from their nefarious activities, they run more for the states. Now the innocent local division, maybe all those on they collect 100 naira, they were not those on they go to house. Police, they were now the ones where they would go work when the hoodlums or hijack the police, and they put their uniform, they put up inside bag. They not go kill them. Now forget that they get children, no matter their sin. And also they get children, they get wife, they get people who love them. People begin most people will get brothers as police. They start they call them la oreb yowa. Yeah, we go the police here. La oreb yowa. There be people, there be human being like me and you. We just get people among them when they spread the force. But you people generalize and say, yeah, police. SARS, not the local divisions. The next thing, hoodlums started going from police station to police station. They burn down stations, stole guns, do different things. Even when people go break prison, people were still hailing there. Not be their fault. Nobody should supposed to be in prison. Not be their fault. They fool them, and I get all your screenshots. Me go appear before that panel of inquiry. Or my me, you say that to create Facebook, they talk anyhow. Create Facebook proxy account, they insult me. I go call you and I go tell you the phone number where they operate that account. Many of you don't know anything about internet. You don't know anything about blogging. Just create an account and talk anyhow. Me, Albert, I will be appearing before that panel. And the panel will be inviting a lot of people. All these palliative, there's also person here, when I go born out, when I go appear. So when I appear, not to say with Choto, because your activities, the incitement, all the crisis you people created, many people die. Many young girls lose their virginity for streets. Many small children, bad people. Some bus drivers never see their boss as many they talk. Like maybe some don't go bush around. Go stay CID, we go see complain, we go see cars with a snatch. But you people were hailing them because you wanted the state to be in turmoil. You wanted crisis. Thank God for Edo people who don't fall out. Like. Peace must return to Edo. Buhari Edo. If you want to look for Buhari, go to Abuja. Go to Abuja. Now, maybe you don't see and say, even your area, they're not a rob. They are robbing everywhere. Broad day, but police, all the area where they go bomb police station, from Tejo should not go reach a bypass. No police station. They are saying police should come back where? They are still scared. Many police, you don't see video where they behead police. You don't see where they burn some police officers. What they do just to be like when courts they fight, they're going to kill innocent souls. Or maybe courts they fight for upper. The ones that they came around they kill themselves. Exactly what they do when hoodlums hijack the protest. I said, all of them shut up. So our people when the PDP went there with us, they all jump at our face. They all fell on face. They feel say go they safer for them to defense. You know they go have a semi ayo. You know out of face. Yeah, we boss on there. They go with go back to fence. What set last week? Who saw the fence? Oh yeah, go back to fence. I can't bother. Go back to fence. I can't bother. Go back to fence. I want them. Today now coffee or no coffee, everybody want enter house before 6 o'clock. Because from 7 o'clock you are not sure. Again the people they rob you, they look whether police they come. Now nobody look again now. That's why we continue to preach peace. As I said, let us preach peace so that the police can return to our streets. Destiny boy, you know you have been a very demonic human being. The last time you felt during Mia saga, because you are very blind, they've eaten your brain. Maybe not for COVID, they eat your brain. You are a very bad person. I believe say if you be caught, you don't do bad things before you go abroad. During me, I was like a saga. You were, so they insult me. Later, you came back, you apologized to me. You were begging me, Nami Destiny Boy, Nami Destiny Boy, Noni. I go and block you. You started this, your madness. If you drop senseless comments here, I'll kick you out. I'll kick you out. There are people that cannot change. That's why tomorrow we still have armed robbers. We have kidnappers. Even as we preach peace. So nobody should blackmail the police. They are already wounded. They are scared. They are scared. When I go boss, when I mobilize people, when I incite people go destroy their police stations, steal burn their vehicles, looted their guns. Now, which month of that you say me they take go road? You don't burn almost all their losses. May they go rent bus or may they go rent a hoodie. May they say, hey, see them oh, see police for inside motor. They don't do SARS matter again oh. We have to encourage government now to give them logistic vehicles to start doing patrol. And let me tell you something, they are working. Just that there are some areas now that they try to, boys are still trying, because that 3 days when they do crisis for Edo, all these hoodlums, they made so much money. They looted shops, they snatched vehicles, they do a lot. So they are looking for that kind of thing again. When they still fall out, and that's time to be worse. So this police, they have been sent to strategic areas to maintain law and order, to avoid breakdown of law and order. So please, let everybody start preaching peace. Let us encourage government to work with police to give them logistics to go back. Now all the police stations, all the police stations now when they're born, the police will not go sit down like this. They're not going to build them before police go back there. If una they do anything, make una they think. Anything you do today, think of the aftermath a minute after. If you think what will be the repercussion after this thing, you will stop that nonsense what they do. Emmanuel Agbogun is an enemy of the palace. He wants nothing like the social media you attack Oba Imam and Rolls Royce, Oba and Rolls Royce. So now me, that kind of person not feel insult. Now governor not feel insult. I mean, our deputy governor not feel insult. If somebody can attack our monarch, Oba Iware II, accuse him of driving a Rolls Royce, when Oba don't walk before he became our Oba, for his coronation, don't walk everywhere. Oba get children. Edo people will ready do anything for her. He accused her also, and that kind of person, if he's not fear accuse anybody. Please share this broadcast to please everybody. We should be preaching peace. Somebody was doing video this morning saying, where is Buhari? Where is Buhari? I dropped a message. I said, stop this. God always save us. Say Buhari not give them. Not give. Now the pain of EPM, Buhari not allow them bring soldier country election. Buhari not let them manipulate INEC. Buhari not let them use DSS to intimidate people. Buhari not give them. He not give them the route to rig election for Edo. That be their frustration. And that is why I still have that soft spot. That soft spot for President Muhammadu Buhari. For what he do for Edo people. For ensuring free and fair election. So that Obaseki can continue and move Edo forward. Now they go meet Buhari, say Obaseki is not popular. That he say Yamu is not on ground. He say Yamu will defeat Obaseki. Now Buhari is okay. Free and fair election. Them try to do everything. It not work. To get Buhari to give them army. To rig election. To rig election. Buhari don't agree. So that's why for me 2023 I will use my PVC, vote for a young person. He will not win, a young person I want to vote for. If you are above 60, I don't will vote for you in this for the next presidential election. I cannot vote for any candidate without past 60 years. Because what is happening to Buhari today, not like Buhari is corrupt or his age. Buhari not feel move the way me go fit a move. His age. If not, imagine say the oppositions, look at what they are doing now. You imagine say that they government. People that were already planning to burn down my house, look for me. So say Edo Guabati, Nigeria go my but look at Obaseki today. The panel, the judicial panel of inquiry that was just inaugurated 2 days ago. About 10, 8 members of opposition wey work for Ezeyamu, they be members of that panel. The Kola, them Abraham Oviawe, them Culture, the food panel, them Imade. If there is Ezeyamu win, about Obase go enter government house, then for not let me breathe to tell you the kind of governor when God give us. He not saying election is over. But because the man not saying now, they want to spoil the state for a hand. And we not agree. They don't all over the world, we don't agree. So my people, anybody, all these the Christosa and the rest, when they talk anyhow, and also that many of them, even fellas, all of them, they'll go delete their post. Why they delete your post? You incite people now to go do nonsense. You don't over everybody now. Nobody's safe again now for Edo. They go delete your post. Now you talk say palliative there, they go loot her now. Now you don't go delete the post. Me, the post when I delete, when I got to the place, they said some palliative. I said no, that was misinformation. I deleted it. So you should also come out to say, I thought say palliative there. I can't say not be government palliative, a private warehouse. I am sorry. Also come out. Deleting is not enough. Deleting is not enough. I deleted and I came out and I apologized that I was misinformed. As I read here, I said palliative day one side, but not many. I said no. I said 1 grain of rice day here. They must remove one. Because they already mobilized. More than 10 big warehouses. More than 10 buildings. So you expect me they must enter. I said, Oga, one of your blog is how equipment they make they carry the food they go. Before those people can go, hoodlums can go bust first, enter. Someone jump first, they break leg. Some one pregnant woman, they mash woman pass. So it's not enough for you to delete and apologize. Then start preaching peace, so that make you not repeat yourself. Obaseki, you hate Obaseki, you want to instigate violence. They go see Obaseki. Now how many police, DSS, they guide Obaseki. That poor man for the streets, that nonsense will affect the governor. So please, if you get close to all these rascals, all these online urchins, I'm gonna advise them. Don't blackmail people. Don't instigate people to go burn houses, to go loot. See all the people wey full state CID now, who they go there now? Shebuna they hate them 4 days ago. Why would they not go pay them? Why would not gather money, hire lawyer, go pay them? Why? When people were hailing there, the youths are taking over. The youth are this one now. They're dead there now. All in all, they go to give them food. So please, my brothers and sisters, I appeal to everyone. Let us preach peace. Walao, we need peace in Edo. Edo must move forward. We need peace in Edo. Thank you very much. God bless you. Share this broadcast. And I know that 1 or 2 persons will collect this message and he will learn and he will apply them. Anyway, you see opposition writing rubbish, just say, hey, enough, stop. We don't need this in Edo. We don't need this in Edo. Stop. Counter them immediately. Don't make that their team what they want plan. Don't make it popular. Counter them immediately. Thank you very much. God bless you.